Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MoneyGram account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your MoneyGram transfer receipt? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your money transfer receipt anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business paying your overseas contractors through MoneyGram, sometimes they say they never received it, so you need to send them proof to provide to their bank. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MoneyGram account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MoneyGram account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know you had to have sent your MoneyGram transfer through your MoneyGram online account. If you went into some sort of a location to send out a MoneyGram, you're going to have to go to that location to get that receipt. However, if you sent your MoneyGram transfer online, whether through their app or on the computer, I'm going to show you how you can get the receipt. First off, here on the homepage, I've already logged in and it shows right in the front your transaction history. You're going to click on View All. Okay, so once you click on View All, you're going to see all of your recent transactions. So go ahead and just scroll through until you find the one you need the receipt for. So for example, this one, you can see it's completed. So you're going to click on the little arrow next to their name. It's pointing down. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to open up the transactions. You can see the fees that were associated with the transaction. However, to get your receipt, look towards the bottom of the transaction. You're going to see a red View Receipt button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you click there, the receipt's going to open up. So here, it's going to show who you sent it to, what payment you used, which bank account or which method they received the money, any kind of fees that were associated, along with the exchange rate that was used. So with this particular receipt, you can go ahead and print it out from your desktop and then email it over to whoever's asking for the MoneyGram transfer receipt. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your MoneyGram transfer receipt, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.